Apparently Trachycarpus palm trees look like crap in the North Pacific. So recently we've got a new viewer to our YouTube channel that's leaving some pretty harsh comments. That's good. I like reading comments. And apparently this guy says he lives in Nova Scotia. And the first video I watched where he left comments was of the palm trees growing around Beach Avenue in Vancouver on the West End. And he said, you know, Vancouver is not really the only place, or BC is not the only place in Canada where you can grow palm trees. They're all over Nova Scotia. There's an abundance of palm trees in Nova Scotia. And first of all, I know a lot of people in Nova Scotia. I ship hundreds, if not thousands of palm seeds I've shipped to Nova Scotia. And I know the climate in Nova Scotia. I got a very good friend that lives there. My best friend's brother moved there several years ago from the coast. And I know how cold it can get in Nova Scotia in the wintertime. And I know the growing zone. Yes, I have seen Ericaria ericana growing in southern Nova Scotia near the coast. I know there's Trachycarpus palms growing in Halifax. They box them in. And when they unbox them, they look like complete crap. I'm sorry, that is the truth. You show me, Mr. Commenter there, since I went to your YouTube channel and saw no videos, which kind of shows me that you're probably a troll anyway, Mr. J. And you guys can read the comments here and see the comment he left on my microclimate video. So I'm thinking this guy's just a troll, but if you're so sure that there's an abundance of Trachycarpus palms in Nova Scotia, how about you just prove it to us all and shoot a video of those palm trees in Nova Scotia and put the proof in the pudding. I know there was one at the Botanical Gardens in Halifax and it died. There was also Rhopidophyllum hystrix. It looked pretty beat up and it might even be dead now. Then you also commented on my seeds. The green seed one told me I was a greenhorn, and I've probably been growing palm trees longer than you've been alive. And also, you, what else did you comment on? You commented on something else too. Oh, well, we're getting back to the Trachycarpus palms here. So anyway, we're looking at the Trachycarpus palms, and you say they look like crap in our climate here on the Pacific, in the Pacific Northwest. Well, I don't know. Do my seed-grown palms here look like crap? Do those look like crap? They don't look healthy. They look like they don't look good. Well, I don't know. I think these look totally healthy, and they're actually growing. We're mid-December right now, and these are healthy palm trees. Or are they not healthy? Leave your comment, you palm experts out there. Do these palm trees look like crap or not? I don't know. I'm thinking these palms look pretty darn good to me. Maybe I'll title this one, Palm Trees Look Like Crap in the Pacific Northwest. Just for you, my friend. So this is a palm tree with fronds from top to bottom. So what I want you to do today, if you have time there, Mr. Nova Scotian, and I have nothing against Nova Scotians. I think it's a beautiful province. You go out there today with your camera and you shoot us a video of all the palm trees that you claim that there are in Nova Scotia, and you put them on your channel. You put a video or two on your channel and show us what you grow in Nova Scotia, okay? And I want to see them right through the winter time. Do updates on them right through till spring without any winter protection. And if they look like this, then I'll believe you. You know what I mean? But if they don't, well, we know you're full of crap. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more palmy videos on this channel. By the way, some of the nicest palm trees, Trachycarpus palms, you will see are growing on the Pacific coast of Canada and the northwest of United States. All right? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. And I'm not saying there's some nice ones on the East Coast too. There's some beautiful ones on the East Coast of the United States as well. Cheers.